The TRIZ 40 Inventive Principles. Genrich Altshuller, creator of the theory of inventive problem-solving, better known by its Russian acronym TRIZ, analyzed thousands of patents and identified a group of 40 techniques that inventors used successfully to solve problems across different fields. To inspire new inventors in their problem-solving, I created this video illustrating one of these principles. Principle 24. Intermediary. Use an intermediary carrier article or intermediary process. For example, sous vide. The sous vide technique cooks food in a water bath for heat control and consistency, avoiding overcooking.
Sous vide is a cooking technique in which food is heated at a consistent temperature in a water bath. Because we can control the heat precisely, we can predict the results exactly, every time. With traditional cooking methods, heat flows from a burner to a pan, then into our food. Or the glowing elements of an oven heat the air around the food, cooking it. Because the air in the oven and the metal of the pan are much hotter than you want your food to be, you've got to take it away from the heat at just the right time. Take it off too early or too late, and your food is either under or overcooked. But when cooking with water, instead of superheated air or a pan, we can raise the temperature just enough to get the food to the exact doneness we prefer. Once it is up to temperature, we can pretty much just leave it in the bath until we're ready to eat perfectly cooked food. Sous vide, seemingly magical cooking technique of high-end chefs from the future, but actually, just heating food with water.
Merge one object temporarily with another, which can be easily removed. For example, aluminum foil. Aluminum foils is so thin that a single layer cannot be cold rolled by itself without breakage. Two foils are rolled together for strength, that is why aluminum foils has one side that is shiny and one that is dull.
The ingot has become a sheet 2/10 of an inch thick. It is sufficiently thin to proceed to spooling, where it spools onto itself before being sent to the cold rolling mill. There, its thickness will be reduced still further. The aluminum sheet has become very thin now, and risks being broken by the tension needed for cold rolling. So the sheet is doubled to avoid this breakage. One final reduction in the mill, and the sheet will have the thickness required by the customer. A liquid coolant is used to prevent the foil from sticking to the rollers. Since the edges of the foil sheet are lightly damaged and crinkled, a knife removes a strip 4/10 of an inch wide. Finally, the roll is cut to the desired width, and one huge ingot has produced nearly 8 miles of foil.
Share this video and add your examples of this inventive principle in the comments below. Intermediary. Use an intermediary carrier article or intermediary process. Merge one object temporarily with another, which can be easily removed.